Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. In this video, I am going to share 6 hidden new features from Android 12. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Google has finally started rolling out Android 12 for the Pixel devices, and I have been using an Android 12 custom ROM on my OnePlus 8T from the last few days. So I am going to share some hidden new features that I have found on Android 12 and they will make your overall experience better. The first feature is quick link and image sharing. So if you go to the recent tab, you can see there are two new buttons here. The one on the top right lets you copy and share the link of the page or video that is open in that app. For example, in my case, it shows me the link of the article that I have opened in the Chrome application. The next icon, which is there on this image, lets you quickly copy, share and save the image without any hassle. How cool is this? I mean, you don't even need to download an image with this feature. However, for now, it only works with some supported apps like Chrome browser, YouTube and Spotify. Soon this will be supported by another apps also. The next hidden feature, which is my new favorite, is extra dim brightness. Just search for extra dim in your device settings. This feature works as its name. It makes your screen dimmer and it can actually reduce the brightness of your screen than the lowest brightness. This is going to be a really handy feature if you use your device in the night time and your eyes will bless you for this feature. On top of that, we also have a quick toggle for this feature. So that means you can access this with just one tap. Personally, I really like the option and I'm going to use it every day. Another new hidden feature is the improved search bar from the Pixel launcher. This new search bar can now search app shortcuts, contacts, conversation and settings app. So basically it searches through most of your phone. This is really an amazing feature as this is going to save you a lot of time by making your life easier. Moving on, the next feature which is hidden in settings is using the power button for Google Assistant. If you go to the device settings, system, gestures and press and hold the power button. Here you can set hold power button for Google Assistant. So now when you hold the power button, it is going to open Google Assistant. Then how will you power off your device? Well, for that you can go to quick settings and click on this power icon. This will give you the same functionality as the power button. If you listen to a lot of music on the go, then this next feature will be beneficial for you. If you go to sound setting and media, there is this new option which allows you to pin the music bar to the quick settings panel. For example, if you play some music, it appears here above the notification panel. Now even if you stop the music and swipe the app away, you will see that your music widget will be present in the quick settings panel. So that means it has now been pinned to the quick settings panel and you can access your music easily from here. Finally, the last feature on our list is full screenshot. So now whenever you take a screenshot and click the capture button, you will be able to take a long screenshot of your choice. And this works in almost most of the apps. So you can easily capture long screenshots now. So those were the 6 new less known features from Android 12. Comment down which was your favorite feature. If you want to see the major features and changes of Android 12, I have already made a video about that. So please check that out. That's all for this video. Hopefully you liked the video. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.